Why, hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. This box looks goofy because on both sides are my address and personal information, and y'all ain't getting that. At least the ones that don't have it already. So, without further ado, my unboxing knife, which will be my unboxing knife going forward for right now, is the Kershaw Launch 10. I think I know what this is because I've been tracking. Like, I got so much en route. It's exciting and it's overwhelming at the same time. You're like, oh, what do I do? But I think I know what this is because I was looking for it. Not it, just everything. I got Ronnie here too. Ronnie's ready to say something. You could just tell it. He's about to burst at the seams. There he is. Bursting at the seams, just like whatever's in this box. Alright. You know what? Just show them what you're made of. This little Launch 10, guys, is awesome. Dude, this dude was not playing around. No, but this thing is so functional, it is absolutely insane. Like, the tip, and then cutting through boxes and opening up. I hate to say it, but like, if this was my only knife, it is one of the most functional knives that I have. It's just awesome. Yep, this is what I thought it was. You guys may or may not poop your pants, because I think I'm going to. Alright. I don't know what the freezer bag is for. It's not going to do too much, but... Yeah, here, Ronnie. You go play with the bag. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Alright. Alright. So... Ronnie's excited about this one, too. So this is a Protech, obviously. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a massive Protech. In the pictures, like, I've heard like Metal Complex and stuff talk about it, and you're like, oh, damn, okay, that's supposedly really big. I'm telling you, in hand, once again, this is something that you just don't even realize how freaking big it is. Put that in perspective. Let's just grab something you guys are familiar with here out of my pocket. This is the Spyderco Smock. This is the Protech. Shh. This is the Protech Godfather. This is not the operator version. You're about to get kicked out of this room. This is not the operator version. This is the SWAT version. Okay. Come on. Out. Come on. Out. Thank you. Let's get through this real quick. Okay, sorry for that lapse. I haven't opened this yet. Ronnie was unhappy that I kicked him out of the room, so we had to take care of the kid. So, this is the Protech Godfather. Not the operator version. This is the SWAT version. To my knowledge, I would have to go back and double check. The tritium is one of the major differences, but there's one more difference, and I forgot what it was, and it's super, super minor. Like, incredibly minor to the point where I don't think anybody would notice, and I'll go over that with the review. Yeah, I'll go over it with the review. Here is the... Oh, I'm so excited. Here is the Protech Godfather. Oh, my gosh. So this is in 154 cm. To put this into perspective, those of us familiar with the Protech Newport, here is the Protech Newport next to the Protech Godfather. Yeah, this thing is way bigger than it looks in videos, pictures, anything. Just massive. Here's the Spyderco Smock. This thing is massive. Even the handle is massive. So, that's what we're working with here. Holy crap. And this thing is awesome. Ergonomically, it is not the most ergonomic sound. It's a piece of aluminum. It's not anything else other than a piece of aluminum with no, contouring, really. It's all just flat with a little bit of chamfering around there. But, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So there is side to side, which, lucky for me, we have my setup falling over. Let's see what happens when we tighten this guy up. All right, no side to side. This is obviously secondary. I got this from the secondary market for a pretty good price. That's why I bought it. Nope, too tight. Ooh, fires hard. And there's a little bit of blade play. What the hell? Let's see if we can tweak this during the unboxing. So apparently finding that sweet spot is going to be difficult. So that fires hard enough, and I still feel a little bit of back and forth. Nothing crazy, but let's take this. All right. So it's a tiny bit of back and forth, not much. Ready? Nope, that's not it. Too tight. So fires hard, and there's a ton of play. So I'm gonna have to mess with this, guys. I'll take it apart if I'm so inclined to. I'm going to take it apart and take a look at it. I'm not too mad at the blade play. I mean, it fires hard. It is super fun, and it is obnoxious. Like, I'm not kidding when I say obnoxious. Obnoxious, right? Sorry, I got some baking soda here. Just so you guys know how big this thing is. That is awesome. So let's check the sharpness on this guy. So dude's got it pretty sharp, as you can tell. Sharp as a frickin' sharper than a tack. I was going to say sharp as a tack, but there's some newspaper. So stupid sharp, guys. This thing is absolutely stupid sharp. It is just not staying tight, even though I can't find that sweet spot. That's all it is. Tiny bit of... Ronnie. Let's see here. Still fires hard. Yeah, we're going to have to take it apart, guys. It's a little loose. It's secondary. I'm not too mad at the fact that it's loose. I'm just obsessed with how freaking large this thing is. Oh my goodness. It is not ambidextrous. It is just put it in your pocket and imagine you're in the Godfather movie. Just don't stab anybody, because that's not how this is supposed to go. These are tools. Remind ourselves. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp. Stay safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the Protech Godfather.